I'll keep going here.
Triple T. Triple T.
Okay.
Is it now?
Oh, yes. Papa, no,
Triple T.
even Papa, me, no views, no likes.
Oh wait, I finished the game. Oh, I finished the game.
Very good.
A badge.
What is it?
I got a free item.
What? I can't do that thing too. I can't. But I go in the. That's what happened. I go in. Hey guys, everybody's.
Yes, I finished the obby. Are you serious? You're still not done recording?
Yeah, I'm not done recording.
Kakansel mo na ang titas sa bahay at nagpa-BP din. Anong baba ng BP? Pagtawan na. Oh, ikaw vlog niya daw siya. Matagod siya nila.
Yeah, guys.
Ay, ayaw mo
This is my first Roblox game. It's simple.
pinapakain lang natin yung mga
Click and collect
I'm just gonna go
all your
here,
cards.
here,
The more
and
you
here,
play, the more auto
and here. Upside down. Let's check it. Reset.
I made my first.
Two.
This obby requires 4 players to beat, and if you're a vet, I couldn't beat this alone, so let's prove them wrong. In the first level, there are 4 buttons, each button needing a player to stand on to open this wall. We can't do that though, since I'm solo. However, on further inspection, the wall is only 1 step thick, meaning we can last clip. By standing in front of the wall and typing /E last in the chat, just lag in your game while shift walking backwards, you clip through. Now we're in the main area. I
Yeah, guys, everything
progress
is
further, but there's nothing. I noticed the optional port to live mostly on
I'm
buttons, so I
just
figured if I lag my game enough, I could switch the game to completely out on the button and continue, but that also led me nowhere. And then I noticed the door to the exit was also 1 step thick, so I could
If
just
you
clip
go
through.
in the big one, you can be one shot. If you go in the one, you're not gonna be.
Nigger!
You're not gonna die.
That this is my rant. Let me show you, bro. Look, I made this.
You're random. I'm basically this. So,
Hindi pa naman.
Rupert
Parating
Keating
ko
over
lang
at
ang sigarilyo. Huwag mo na magsigarilyo.
Guys,
Ito na, te.
I'm just gonna.
Electric pan tayo. Wala ka naman maliit kayo ng unan. Lubog sa angkin.
Ulan din.
Nadala? Isa, magdagdag na tayo.
Huwag mo daw yung panamalit.
Oo, yung pin. Yung dinala.
Yung ganyan. Ito, ito. Ito. Itong electric panamalit.
May dala.
Innocentles. Ela desce, soy nobody. A prison me de que tu usa.
Mataas. Matambok to.
Ang utok.
Kapag yung sigarilyo, oo. Yun nga, yung sabi ko ni Antipas kay Mama, nagsisiguro si Mama ngayon.
Someone unsubscribed to me.
Weak.
Here are the funniest Roblox parts, and you won't believe what the guy in number 1 said.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, may kumalda ng sigarilyo. Sabi niya,
What the hell? Everybody's not just going. And we just keep hating everything. So guys,
If you're a small, you're on the funny Roblox phone. If you're a small content creator, use this sound.
How rare is your name?
yeah guys, we're going to guys, I'm gonna make it better. I can make it better.
So I told my mom that I am famous. She haven't checked my bank account, so please close this account so I don't get in trouble. So I told my mom that I am famous. She's gonna check my bank account. So I told my mom that I am. So I told my mom that.
Yeah.